press the Windows key or click on the Windows icon. Write sysdm.cpl. Press Enter. Click on Advanced. In Performance, click on Settings. Click on Advanced. In Virtual Memory, click on Change. This is where you are able to change the page file size of Windows. If you have an SSD, it is recommended to use the SSD to have a faster memory. So, for example, if you want to choose your SSD as the page file, you can uncheck this option of Automatically Manage Page File Size, choose the SSD, click on the option of the System Manage Page File Size, and click on Set. If you want, you can set a specific size. However, most people should not use this setting. It's usually best to let the system manage the page file size. After you are done, click on OK, click on OK again, and click on Apply. Click on OK, click on OK again, and restart your computer. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other tutorial you need? Tell me in the comments.